In the realm of complex systems, be it healthcare, manufacturing, or software development, documentation serves as the bedrock of clarity, consistency, and control. It's the lifeblood of knowledge transfer, ensuring that processes are understood, replicated, and improved upon. Clear, concise, and accurate documentation is not merely a bureaucratic afterthought. It's the silent guardian of quality, safety, and efficiency. Imagine a surgical team operating without a clear protocol or a software team deploying code without documented specifications. The consequences can be dire. Documentation mitigates risks, reduces errors, and provides a roadmap for success. It empowers teams to work cohesively, fosters accountability, and facilitates continuous improvement. Beyond its operational significance, documentation plays a crucial role in regulatory compliance and legal protection. In many industries, meticulous record-keeping is not optional, it's mandated by law. Well-maintained documentation serves as evidence of adherence to standards, protocols, and legal requirements, safeguarding organizations and individuals alike. In an era defined by rapid technological advancements and evolving industry standards, the importance of robust documentation cannot be overstated. It's the invisible thread that binds together complex processes, ensures continuity of knowledge, and enables organizations to thrive in an increasingly complex world. The world of documentation is vast and varied, encompassing a wide array of formats, purposes, and audiences. Understanding the different types of documents and their specific roles is essential for creating a comprehensive documentation system. At the heart of most operations lie standard operating procedures, or SOPs. These detailed, step-by-step instructions provide a standardized approach to performing tasks, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and safety. SOPs serve as training manuals, reference guides, and the foundation for process audits. Clinical documentation, crucial in healthcare settings, focuses on patient care. It encompasses medical histories, diagnoses, treatment plans, progress notes, and medication records. Accurate and timely clinical documentation is paramount for patient safety, continuity of care, and informed decision-making. Technical documentation targets users and technical audiences. It includes user manuals, software specifications, installation guides, and troubleshooting information. Clear and concise technical documentation empowers users to understand, operate, and maintain products or systems effectively. Project documentation tracks the life cycle of a project from initiation to closure. It includes project plans, meeting minutes, risk assessments, and progress reports. Project documentation ensures transparency, accountability, and effective communication among stakeholders. By recognizing the diversity and specific purposes of these document types, organizations can develop targeted documentation strategies that meet the unique needs of their operations, industries, and stakeholders. Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, are the backbone of consistent and reliable operations. These meticulously crafted documents provide a clear roadmap for performing tasks, leaving no room for ambiguity or guesswork. A well-written SOP is characterized by clarity, accessibility, and a logical flow of information. The process of developing an effective SOP begins with a thorough understanding of the task at hand. Involve subject matter experts, gather input from those who perform the task regularly, and analyze existing processes to identify areas for improvement or standardization. Structure is paramount in SOPs. Use a consistent format, clear headings, and numbered steps to ensure ease of navigation and understanding. Incorporate visuals such as flowcharts, diagrams, and images to enhance clarity and comprehension. Language should be concise, precise, and jargon-free. Avoid technical terms that might confuse users. Write in a clear and active voice, using simple sentences and avoiding complex grammatical structures. Once an SOP is drafted, the review and revision process is crucial. Solicit feedback from stakeholders, including those who will be using the SOP on a regular basis. Ensure that the language is clear, the steps are logical, and the information is accurate and up to date. Section 4, the critical eye auditing for quality and compliance. In the realm of documentation, creation is only the first step. Equally important is the ongoing process of auditing and quality assurance. Regular audits ensure that documents remain accurate, relevant, and compliant with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Documentation audits can take various forms, from comprehensive reviews of all documents to targeted assessments of specific procedures or areas of concern. Establish a clear audit schedule, define the scope and objectives of each audit, and select auditors who possess the necessary expertise and objectivity. During an audit, meticulously review documents for accuracy, completeness, clarity, and consistency. Check for compliance with internal style guides, industry standards, and regulatory requirements. Identify any gaps, errors, or areas for improvement. Document all audit findings, including both positive observations and areas requiring attention. Develop a system for tracking and addressing identified issues, ensuring that corrective actions are taken promptly and effectively. Regular audits not only ensure compliance, but also provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of documentation practices. They highlight areas where processes can be streamlined, training can be enhanced, and documentation itself can be improved to better serve its intended purpose. Section 5. Cultivating a culture of documentation excellence. Mastering quality documentation is not merely about ticking boxes or adhering to regulations. It's about cultivating a culture of documentation excellence. It's about recognizing that clear, accurate, and accessible documentation is everyone's responsibility and an integral part of organizational success. Foster a mindset where documentation is valued not as a chore, but as a tool for knowledge sharing, risk mitigation, and continuous improvement. Provide employees with the training, resources, and support they need to create and maintain high-quality documentation. Establish clear documentation standards, style guides, and templates to ensure consistency and ease of use. Implement version control systems to track changes and maintain a clear audit trail. Regularly review and update documentation to reflect evolving processes, technologies, and industry best practices. Recognize and reward excellence in documentation. Celebrate individuals and teams who consistently produce high-quality documents and contribute to a culture of documentation excellence. By embedding documentation best practices into the fabric of the organization, you create a virtuous cycle of quality, efficiency, and continuous improvement.